While Gentry's working on school, I'm gonna get started in the playroom. She's gonna help me when she's done. Here we go. My kid. Only the rest of the room to go. Hey guys, I thought I would go ahead and start vlogging our week just so that we can, I don't know, keep up with the times. I am currently sitting in the Walmart parking lot. I am not a fan of Walmart, but I need a bunch of different things. I have not gone grocery shopping since last Monday, I think. I live in Oklahoma and currently we are not on lockdown, and you can tell because the Walmart parking lot is full. There is no school right now. Last week was our spring break, and then this week, right now we have no school until, I don't know, April 6th, but they're gonna vote on that tomorrow. But there is no, like, I can't believe how many people are out. This is literally the first time I've been out in over a week. I'm debating on using my gloves. I don't want people to make fun of me, but I also don't want to get COVID. So I think I'm gonna put on my gloves. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get the things we need and head out as quickly as possible and wash my hands. All right, wish me luck. Y'all, I'm so glad that I brought my gloves because there was nobody hand sanitizing the wipes, the carts, nothing. And it's like a regular store. I can't even find a place in Walmart to even really talk. This is nuts. Nobody's hunkering down, I guess. Did it. I'm back in the car. There were a few other people wearing gloves, mostly old people. There were a ton of people at Walmart. And it's gonna take a lot more, I guess, for Oklahoma to shut down. So there are a couple people who, I'm gonna clean this off. So yeah, it's a little weird. It's just weird. It's just a weird time right now. I guess I'm gonna go home and unload my groceries. Mostly got cheese. It's what we're out of. Would have gotten other stuff. Most of the aisles that I could have gotten other stuff were still wiped out. So I guess I'll have to go back in a few other days. I did get some veggies. That's basically what I came for. All right, talk to you later. What? Am I on the phone with you? No, I'm still trying this whole vlogging thing. I'm not very good at it, okay? We'll get there. Gentry has, what are in your crepes?
Nutella, and then in the third crepe, there is nothing.
Delicious. I put Trader Joe's lemon curd in mine.
After we eat breakfast.
We're gonna go work in the yard. All right, so we started this journey of cleaning on Tuesday, and now it is Thursday, and we've got it pretty much all clean. A few things still need to be put away. We got junk on the floor I haven't vacuumed yet, because what I like to do as a lazy housekeeper, I really hate cleaning. We still have to get under there, and we're also going to get under the couch, and I'll show you how I do that. We have an electric weed blower, and underneath the couch, it's like big enough to get junk under there, but not big enough to get a vacuum under there, and it's a pain to move. We take the leaf blower and blow underneath, and then gather all the little things and vacuum it all up, or sweep it up, or whatever. So, leaf blower, let's go. Y'all, that's disgusting. I only have one child. And
it looks like
that was just from under the couch. We haven't even gone over to the playroom yet. So we're gonna clean this up and we'll do the playroom. Well, that was embarrassing. We cleaned up all the stuff from under the couch, and now we're gonna do this area. Ready, Gentry? Hit it. Does anybody else have a hidden stash of things, whoop, that are stacked up way too high? Whoop. Oh my goodness, way too high, of things for your kids to do at a later date? I usually keep some of Gentry's Christmas gifts and birthday gifts packed away for days like today. All right, guys, we're gonna paint some rocks. Tomorrow we'll take the rocks back out to our park and hide them around for other children in the neighborhood to find. We actually got this rock kit it was actually a gift, but they're at Five Below. Five Below is one of our favorite places to get easy crafts.
And Target. I saw it at Target before.
What came in the kit?
Paint, of course, rocks. Yeah, and a paint brush.
And your imagination, right?
Yeah.
Gentry, there's something we're forgetting.
What?
We're trying to remember while we're in isolation to drink lots of water. It's easy to forget when you're at home. It helps if you have a really cute cup to drink out of. My friend Melissa made this one for Gentry with the ocean. I don't know if you can, let me see.
It looks like a beach, and at the bottom of the sand it has glitter.
Ooh. We love them. It helps. This one's, I think, 30 ounces. Yours is 20. Melissa does fabulous work. I'm going to tag her down below because I just love her stuff, and everybody's happy who gets her cups. I'll tag her stuff. You can follow her on Facebook, Rustic Buffalo. I forgot to finish the vlog. I took on a bunch of stuff at work, starting to edit for them. Now it's Sunday morning and I forgot to finish the vlog, and I haven't even posted it yet. I thought I was gonna post it Saturday night. I'm doing editing and laundry and playing hairdresser and all the things. I hope you enjoyed it. We're really doing this in order to keep up with the days that are happening as history is being made. I hope you stay safe. I hope you are enjoying the time with your family, and I hope you're celebrating today.